Glyxel and welcome to our rocket class. For today's video, we are going to learn the elements and principles of arts. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is an element of arts? An element of arts are stylistic features that are included within an art piece to help the artist communicate. Like this one. 7 most common elements included line, shape, texture, form, space, color, and value. Line. Lines are marks moving in space between 2 points whereby a viewer can visualize the stroke movement, direction, and intention based on how the line is oriented. Lines describes an outline capable of producing texture according to their length and curve. There are different types of lines artists may use, including vertical, horizontal, and diagonal, which all have different functions. Shape. A shape is a two-dimensional design encased by lines to signify its height and width structure and can have 2 values of colors within it to make it appear three-dimensional. Form. Form is a 3-dimensional object with volume of height, width, and depth. This includes cubes, spheres, and cylinders. Form is often used when referring to a physical work of art, like sculpture, as form is connected most closely with those 3-dimensional works. Color. Colors is an element consisting of hues. Space. Space refers to the perspective or the distance between and around and proportion between shapes and objects and how the relationship with the foreground or background is perceived. Texture. Texture is used to describe the surface quality of the work, referencing the types of lines the artist created. Value. The scale between dark or black and light or white values. Value refers to the degree of preservable lightness of tones within an image. Again, what are those 7 elements of arts? Very good! Now this time, let us know the principles of arts. Are you ready? The principles of arts represent how the artist uses the elements of art to create an effect to help convey the artist's intent. The principles of arts and designs are balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, pattern, rhythm, and unity and variety. The use of these principles can help determine whether a painting is successful and whether or not the painting is finished. Balance. Balance refers to the visual weight of the elements of the composition. It is a sense that the painting feels stable and feels right. Contrast is the difference between elements of art in a composition, such that element is made stronger in relation to the other. Negative or positive space is an example of contrast. Complementary colors placed side by side is an example of contrast. Emphasis is when the artist creates an area of the composition that is visually dominant and commands the viewer's attention. This is often achieved by contrast. Movement. Movement is the result of using the elements of art such that they move the viewer's eye around and within the image. A sense of movement can be created by diagonal or curved lines, either real or applied by edges, by the illusion of space, by repetition, by energetic marking. Pattern. Pattern is the uniform repetition of any of the elements of art or any combination thereof. Anything can be turned into pattern through repetition. Rhythm. Rhythm is created by movement implied through the repetition of elements of arts in a non-uniform but organized way. It is related to rhythm in music. Unlike pattern, which demands consistency, rhythm relies on variety. Unity or variety. Variety is the use of different visual elements throughout a work, whereas unity is a feeling that all the parts of a work fit together well. You want your painting to feel unified, such that all the elements fit together comfortably? Too much unity creates monotony. Too much variety creates chaos. You need both. Ideally, you want areas of interest in your composition along with places for your eye to rest. Again, what are those 7 principles of arts? Very good! Now, it's time for you to apply those learning in your artworks in art. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment this video and subscribe to my channel. click the bell icon for you to be notified to my next video. Once again, this is Teacher Glyxel. See you to our next class. Bye-bye!